Hello, and today we're going to be opening the Happy Sounds Little People house. And let's get it open. We're going to start opening it. Okay, so we got it all built. We're going to start reviewing it. So first of all, I want to open it up. Makes a little noise. And so it comes with 3 people, and that's the baby, the mom, and the dad, and it makes lots of sounds, like, and that sound,
Enough row.
And yeah, that sound. And there's lots of different sounds that all those parts will make.
Let's show them the people.
Okay, so.
This looks like the daddy and mom.
And I'll show you else. And
This looks like the baby.
And then comes this little car, and the baby can be riding in the back of it, and the dad or mom can be driving. Like the mom can be driving, and the baby can be in the back, and yeah, it's really cool.
Daddy and
Yeah,
Daddy
it's really
and
cool. I like it. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and it makes that sound too. And thank you all for watching, and please leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Please. And follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And
Facebook.
bye.
Bye. We'll open my